तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we'll discuss about if police misbehaves, then what to do actually. Hey friends, so police officers are entrusted with maintaining law and order in society, but unfortunately, there have been instances where they have misused their power and engaged in abusive or violent behavior towards citizens. If you find yourself in a situation where the police misbehave, it is important to know your rights and the appropriate steps to take the protest yourself so you can protect accordingly. So the first step should be remain calm and composed. If you are confronted by the police and are behaving inappropriately, it is important to remain calm and composed. Do not argue with them, shout, or become physically aggressive with them, as they can escalate the situation and result in further harm to you only. So you have to be very calm and quiet if they are, misbehaving or inappropriately they are, talking to you. Then the second would be know your rights. It is actually essential to know your rights when dealing with the police. You have the right to remain silent, the right to an attorney, and the right to refuse searches. It is important to remember that you do not have to answer any question that may incriminate you, right? So you should know your exact rights, whatever your rights are, so you should know your rights. So third would be record the interaction. If you have a smartphone or any smartphone or iPhone, so use it to record the interaction with the police officer. This can be a useful evidence in case of any legal proceeding. It is important to ensure that you do not interfere with the police officer's duties or put yourself in danger while recording. Yes. So the next would be get the officer's badge number. So making a note of the officer's badge number and name as well as the police department they belong to, this can be a helpful in case you need to make a formal complaint or seek legal action against the officer. So the next would be get the officer. So then the next process would be file a complaint. Then so if you believe that the police officer's behavior was inappropriate or abusive, you can file a complaint with the police department. It is important to document the incident as soon as possible, including any witness statements, photographs, or videos. If you feel that the police department is not taking your complaint seriously, you can also file a complaint with the local government or seek legal advice actually. So, seeking legal advice if you have been physically harmed or your rights have been violated by the police officer, you may want to seek legal advice from a lawyer who specializes in civil rights cases. They can advise you on your legal options and help you seek compensation for any damages. You can be you can connect with a lawyer or advocate who is actually having a sound experience in these kind of civil rights cases. So you can connect with them. In conclusion, actually, I would like to discuss dealing with a police officer who is misbehaving can be a stressful and challenging experience. However, it is important to remember that you have rights and there are steps you can take to protect yourself by remaining calm, knowing your rights, documenting the incident, and seeking legal advice if necessary. You can ensure that the police officer is held accountable for their actions. That's it. So, guys, if you like this video, please do like this video, and if you haven't